Heavy rain slashed Delhi today as several areas in the national capital flooded. Waterlogging was reported in several places and vehicular traffic was also reported. Meanwhile, shocking and scary visuals of what the waterlogging did to Delhi roads emerged on social media. Houses at a slum in Delhi's upscale ITO area collapsed when a canal running through the slum overflowed. Dramatic visuals shared on social media show water gushing into the basement of a building under construction from the overflowing sewage drain. As houses topple over and get washed away by the rushing water, residents can be heard screaming in the background. No one was present in the building at the time of the incident. Centralized accident and trauma services and fire engines are present at the spot. In another shocking video, a brick house at the edge of a sewage drain in the same area crumbles into a pile of dust, leaving behind a mound of debris. Heavy waterlogging was also reported near Minto Bridge, where a bus was stuck in the 3 to 4 feet deep water. Earlier today, a man's body was found floating in the water near a road under the iconic Minto Bridge. Apparently, his vehicle was stuck in the waterlogged road. The body of the pickup truck driver was spotted by a trackman working at New Delhi Yard when he was working at the tracks. Heavy waterlogging was also reported in Elite Friends Colony and Lajpat Nagar Phase 1. On the other hand, the heavy rains also flooded some lanes in Shaheen Bagh.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है तो हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.